Welcome to the S15 draw. It is Sunday, and I hate Sunday draws. Not really, but we are moving them to Friday. Alright, thumbs up everyone, ready to send? Spit her up, son. Alright, Gary. Alright, get in there, right at the bottom. One name. Alright, I've got it. Got it, it's upside down. Alright, let's do the usual. So, the first letter of the first name, come on, we'll put the S15 in the back. The first letter of first name is L. The first letter of last name is G. Congratulations to Lachlan Gardner from Vic. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Lachlan Gardner from Vic. Scan the packet, make sure he's legit. You're in trouble. Just so I can put all my future fines in your name.
Oh yeah, no, fair play. I'll take that.
Oh, you ready?
Nah.
That's funny, actually. Had one other Lockie Gardner. Someone tagged him. He was like, "Oh, congrats, bro."
I saw that. I felt so bad. I felt so bad all the time.
And then we messaged him. He was like, "Oh, can you just send your tickets through?" He was like, "Oh, I didn't get any." Alright. Cool. Alright. See your brand new car, huh?
Nah.
Yeah, nah.
Shit. Oh, holy crap. Holy shit. This is actually insane. You sure it's mine, bud?
Sort of.
Yeah, alright. I'll take that.
And now here's your die-cast model movie.
Yeah. The 110 scale.
Yeah, that's it.
May I?
Yeah, go for it. She's yours. Not my car. Can I touch it?
No.
Sorry.
Holy cow. This is amazing. Holy shit.
There's the winning packet.
The one in target. Oh, you know how many times I've looked at that in the last 48 hours? Just
Lucky
to make
ticket.
sure it did actually say my name.
Oh!
Better frame that. I'll get a bit of sticky tape and I'll stick it on the briefing around there. You're yours.
Okay, now you
Congratulations.
officially
You
pinned.
need those to do it. Dude, I'm gonna pass out. This is insane.
So, just give me a bit of a rundown.
I had an S15 Silvia and manual swapped it in the driveway when I was 16, bought it from Kmart and worked over Christmas, got enough money to get one together, bought it for $1,000, two-tone sunroof, auto, manual swapped it, motor popped through a leg, and then found a motor in Wodonga, got that, swapped it in there, went like shit off a shovel, and then had to part ways with it unfortunately, just circumstances went right, and then ever since I've been trying to find one to come across, and came across this and I was like, got to get a couple of tickets to that.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Just for the wheels there.
Yeah. Just the wheels.
But, I sent you entered a few other draws as well.
Yeah.
I think you entered the... Because, I know a lot of you already wanted to know because he didn't pick up his phone. But
Yeah.
tell us about that. What
Oh
happened
mate, I've just never been camping, never had any smokos or like lunches, nothing with people from work. And we go, you know what, let's have a camping trip. We decided to go out to the middle of bloody nowhere with no signal, and then we were there for the whole weekend, coming back on Monday, coming through signal, and then everyone's going, oi
5,000
dude, oh man, should have seen I was beating the fuck out of the guy I was sitting with. I was going, you can't believe it! I was freaking out, man.
He's dead now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, this is incredible. Words can't describe it, honestly.
What was your first reaction apart from killing that guy?
Oh, tearing up and shaking and shit. Oh, man. I've
And
never...
he finally called me. I was on a walk with the fam, and yeah, he was definitely pretty stoked. But yeah,
Dude.
we'll start her up.
Yeah.
Is that rod knock? Go for it, son. Make sure it's not in gear too.
fall over. I'm like walking around with parties.
That's why most people bought tickets. Just for this.
Spicy boys. Now I can sit in Mac's drive-through.
15 inches of goodness.
Mate, hell yeah. I can't give you words how much I appreciate something like this, man. This is crazy.
Congrats.
Dude. Grab the elbow, it's more important. Oh, thank you so much. I bought a ticket to this. It's like, why do you buy a ticket to that? There's no point. I'm like, you know what?
Don't stand a chance.
I'm buying another one. I bought another one. I reckon that might have helped push it over, mate. Yeah,
The second one.
bit of luck, mate. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do.
Oh, well, man, congrats.
Oh, thanks so much.
Hope you enjoy your new ride, and yeah, I hope to see you at our next event. But
Yeah,
yeah,
hell
no,
yeah,
really
man.
stoked for you. It's always good when someone genuine wins these things. Congrats.
Thank you so much, man.
No worries,
Thanks to
dude.
everyone here. This is insane.
Another happy Gary.